Namaste, welcome everyone. I am Alvika Shah. I am a teacher with the Yoga Institute. Our topic is pelvic floor muscle strengthening and why it's important for women. First, let's know what is pelvic floor. Pelvic floor are a group of muscles that support organs like bladder, bowel, and uterus in women. Now, let's understand why it's important to strengthen these muscles. Firstly, these muscles hold bladder, bowel, and uterus in women in place. Secondly, these muscles help to control the release of urine and feces. Pelvic floor muscles, they work with the back muscles to stabilize the spine. They help to manage pressure that comes on the spine, on the back, when there is any activities performed like lifting or coughing. In women, pelvic floor muscles play a very key role during the delivery of the baby. Pelvic floor muscles are also involved in the sexual function. This is why pelvic floor muscles are important. And now we will see which asanas help to strengthen these pelvic floor muscles. Asanas like Veerbhadrasana 1, Veerbhadrasana 2, asanas like Malasana, Vajrasana, Bhadrasana, Setubandhasana, Suptabhadrasana, and Matsyasana. They all help to strengthen the pelvic floor. Now, let's look at how we will practice Veerbhadrasana 1. We will first take 3 to 4 foot distance between the feet. We will use our own foot to measure the distance. Now, exhaling, we will turn the right foot to the right, left foot at 45 degree, bend the right knee, bring the right knee and right ankle in one line, turn the whole body, turn the torso to the right. Now, inhaling, raise both the arms from the side and join palms above the head and look at the palm. This is the final position of Veerbhadrasana 1. In final position, we are not arching our back, we are keeping the back foot nicely grounded on the mat. Feel the stretch on the thighs. Then to release, exhaling, slowly look in front, turn the palm, release arm by the side. Inhaling, straighten the right knee, turn the right foot in. Same way on your own, practice on the left side. Now let's look at Veerbhadrasana 2. Take 3 to 4 foot distance between the feet. Use your own foot to measure the distance. Exhaling, turn the right foot to the right. Match the right heel with the left arch. Bend the right knee and ankle in one line. Now, inhaling, raise arms by the side, palm facing down, and gaze at the right fingertips. This is the final position of Veerbhadrasana 2. If you feel your spine is moving slightly ahead, keep your spine in center. In final position, spine is in center. Then to release, exhaling, gaze in front, release arms. Inhaling, straighten the right knee, turn the right foot in. Now, practice on the left side on your own. Now, let's look at other asana, Malasana. For Malasana, keep 1.5 foot distance between the feet. Turn both the feet at 45 degree, hands by the side. Now from here, inhaling, join the palms at the sternum. Exhaling, bend the knees, take the hip down and come in Malasana. This is the final position. In final position, keep your shoulders erect. With the help of your elbows, press the knees, keep the spine straight. Feel wonderful stretch in your thighs, glutes, and even back. Then to release, inhaling, slowly come up. Exhaling, release your hands and bring the feet together. Posture completed. Now let's look at other asana, Bhadrasana. To practice Bhadrasana, we will sit on the mat, legs stretched, knees straight, hands can be on the thighs or on the side of the hips. Now slowly bend the knees, join the sole of the feet and bring the heels close to the body as much as you can, as per your capacity. Once you have bent the knees, now grab the toes, rotate your pelvic slightly, and try to bring your thighs close to the floor or close to the mat. This is the final position of Bhadrasana. Then to release, slowly exhaling, release your hand and straighten both the knees. Posture completed. Now let's look at Vajrasana. To practice Vajrasana, we will stand on our knees, we will come on our knees, we will keep our knees close or slightly apart depending on the individual comfort. Now we will join our big toes and we will keep our heels apart, like we've created a space between our heels, and hands by the side next to your hips. Now from here, we will slowly bend our hips and we will drop our hips in the space that we have created between the hips. Now we will place our palms on our thighs. We will keep our spine straight. Here we can close our eyes if we wish to. This is the final position of Vajrasana. In final position, we will focus on our breath, or we can also take our attention. Our next asana is Setu Bandhasana. Now let's see how we'll practice Setu Bandhasana. To practice Setu Bandhasana, we will lie down on our back, hands next to your hips, bend both the knees, hip distance between the knees. We will bring our heels close to the hips. This is the starting position. Now from here, press the palm, press the feet, take support of the palm and slowly inhaling, lift your hips up. This is the final position of Setu Bandhasana. Now, exhaling, slowly lower your hips and bring it on the mat. Continue this for 5 to 10 times. We will repeat one more time. Inhaling, lift your hips up. Hold the posture for some time. We will try to lift our hips higher. Breathe normally there. And then exhaling, we will slowly bring our hips down. Posture completed. Now let's see Supta Bhadrasana. We lie down on our back, hands next to the hips, both knees up. Now from here, we draw both the knees to the side and we join the sole of the feet. We will keep the legs, we will keep the heels close to the body as much as we can. We will place our palms on the thighs and we will try to bring our thighs close to the floor. We will press our palms and we will make an effort to bring our thighs close to the floor. This is the final position of Supta Bhadrasana. Let's see how to practice Matsyasana. Matsyasana, fish pose. Now to practice Matsyasana, we will lie down on our back, hands next to the hips, feet together, toes pointing to the ceiling. From here, we will fold our legs one by one in Padmasana. We can take help of our hands to fold our legs in Padmasana. Once we have folded our legs in Padmasana, we will slide our hands from the side and grab our opposite elbows above the head. This is the final position of Matsyasana. Just in case if you find folding legs in Padmasana slightly challenging, you can also fold your legs in Sukhasana. Even that is okay. Once you come into this posture, try to relax your chest, try to relax your hips, try to relax your lower body completely. Feel all the tension, all the stress releasing from your hip area. And then to release, you will release your hand first, and with the help of your hand, you can release your leg. So these were the asanas that help to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. I hope you will include these asanas in your daily yoga practice. Thank you and namaste everyone.